Many people think building wealth should feel exciting. Like one day you suddenly wake up, your bank account looks amazing, your investments are up, your life feels different, and you can finally say, okay, I'm rich now. But in real life, building wealth usually does not feel like that. It often feels boring. It feels slow. It feels like saying no to small things, making quiet decisions, repeating the same habits, and wondering if anything is actually happening. And that is why a lot of people do not realize they are already moving in the right direction. Because wealth is not always loud. Sometimes it starts with small changes that nobody notices. You may not feel rich yet, you may not have a huge investment portfolio yet, you may not even feel confident with money all the time. But there are signs that you are already becoming financially stronger. So in this video, let's talk about 8 signs you're quietly building wealth without realizing it. And if this kind of simple money breakdown helps you, you can like, subscribe, and keep learning with the Money Canvas. The first sign is simple, but very powerful. You no longer spend money immediately just because you want something. Before, maybe buying something was automatic. You saw it, you wanted it, you bought it. Then later you looked at your balance and thought, where did my money go? But now there is a pause, even a small pause. You ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I still want this tomorrow? Can I afford this without hurting my budget? Is this helping me, or am I just bored, stressed, or influenced? That pause is a sign of growth. Because one of the biggest changes in personal finance is not just earning more money, it is becoming more aware of where your money goes. And the moment you start thinking before spending, you are no longer letting every emotion control your wallet. You are starting to control the direction of your money. That does not mean you never buy nice things. It does not mean you become cheap. It just means your spending becomes more intentional. You can still enjoy your money, but you are not letting random purchases quietly destroy your progress. A lot of people ignore this because it feels too small. But this is where wealth often starts. Not with a huge investment, not with a perfect business idea, but with one simple habit. You stop leaking money on things you do not truly value. And once you do that, your money finally has room to stay, grow, and work for you. The second sign is that your money is no longer a complete mystery. You may not have a perfect spreadsheet, you may not track every single peso or dollar, but you are becoming more aware. You know your usual bills. You know which expenses are eating too much of your income. You know when you are overspending. You know when your budget is getting tight. This is a quiet but serious sign of financial maturity. Because many people earn money, spend money, and just hope everything works out. They do not really know what is happening. They only check their balance when they feel nervous. But when you start paying attention, even in a simple way, you begin to see patterns. Maybe food delivery is costing more than expected. Maybe subscriptions are adding up. Maybe small daily purchases are becoming a bigger monthly problem. Maybe your income is okay, but your lifestyle is absorbing everything. Once you see the pattern, you can change it. And that awareness gives you power, because you cannot fix what you refuse to look at. Building wealth is not just about making big money moves. Sometimes it starts with finally being honest about your current habits. Not in a shameful way, not to punish yourself, but to understand your financial life clearly. Because when you know where your money goes, you can start telling it where to go next. Sign number 3 is that you are no longer completely empty before payday. Maybe it is not a huge amount. Maybe it is just a small balance. Maybe it is only enough to make you feel a little safer. But if you are starting to reach the next payday with something left, that is progress. For many people, the cycle is always the same. Salary comes in. Bills get paid, spending happens. Then a few days before the next salary, everything feels tight again. So when you start breaking that cycle, even slowly, that matters. It means your spending is becoming lower than your income, and that is one of the most basic foundations of building wealth. Not glamorous, not exciting, but extremely important. Because wealth needs a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap becomes savings. That gap becomes investments. That gap becomes emergency funds. That gap becomes freedom. Without that gap, even a high income can disappear. This is why some people earn more but still feel broke. Their income rises, but their spending rises with it. So if you are starting to have even a small amount left before payday, do not ignore that. That is a sign that your financial system is improving. It means you are no longer just surviving from one paycheck to the next. You are beginning to create space, and that space is where wealth starts growing. Sign 4. You are not as impressed by lifestyle inflation. The fourth sign is that lifestyle upgrades no longer control you as much as before. When your income increases or when you get extra money, your first thought is not always, what can I buy? Maybe before, extra income meant instant reward, new clothes, new gadgets, more eating out, more expensive habits. But now you think differently. You may still reward yourself, but you do not feel the need to upgrade everything immediately. You do not automatically increase your expenses just because your income increased. That is a very strong sign, because lifestyle inflation is one of the quietest wealth killers. It does not always feel dangerous. It feels normal. You earn more, so you spend more. You get promoted, so you upgrade your lifestyle. You receive extra money, so you treat yourself again and again. And to be clear, enjoying your money is not wrong. The problem is when every income increase gets swallowed by a bigger lifestyle. Because if your expenses always rise with your income, you can earn more and still build nothing. But when you start keeping your lifestyle controlled, something changes. Your extra income has a purpose. Some of it can go to savings. Some of it can go to investments. Some of it can pay down debt. Some of it can build security. This is one of the reasons quiet wealth is hard to notice. From the outside, it may look like nothing is happening. You did not buy the newest thing. You did not upgrade everything. You did not show off. But behind the scenes, your money is becoming stronger. You're choosing long-term freedom over short-term appearance, and that is a real wealth-building move. Sign number 5. You are building an emergency fund, even slowly. The fifth sign is that you are starting to create a financial cushion. Maybe you do not have 6 months of expenses saved yet. Maybe you only have a small emergency fund. Maybe you are still building it little by little. But the important part is this: you are no longer depending only on hope. You are preparing for life. Because unexpected expenses will happen. A medical bill, a repair, a delayed salary, a family emergency, a job problem. Something always comes up. And when there is no emergency fund, every problem becomes more expensive. You borrow, you use credit cards, you delay payments, you panic. Then one emergency can turn into months of financial stress. But even a small emergency fund changes the feeling. It gives you breathing room. It gives you choices. It protects your progress. And this is something people often underestimate. An emergency fund may not make you feel rich. It may not grow as fast as investments. It may not look impressive. But it protects you from going backward. And sometimes, protecting your progress is just as important as making progress. Because wealth is not only about how much money you can make, it is also about how well you can survive problems without destroying your future. So if you are building that cushion, even slowly, that is a quiet sign that you are becoming financially stronger. Sign 6. You are starting to invest consistently. The sixth sign is that you are investing, even if the amount feels small. This is where many people underestimate themselves. They think, I'm only investing a little. This probably does not matter. But small amounts invested consistently can become meaningful over time. The real power is not just the amount, it is the habit. Because once investing becomes part of your life, you are no longer only working for money. You are starting to make your money work for you. Even if it is slow at first, even if the growth is not obvious yet, even if the market goes up and down, the habit matters because it changes your identity. You stop seeing yourself only as a spender. You start seeing yourself as someone who owns assets, someone who thinks long-term, someone who plants seeds before seeing the tree. and that mindset is powerful. A person who invests consistently is already different from a person who only waits for the perfect time. Because the perfect time usually never feels perfect. There is always bad news. There is always fear. There is always a reason to delay. But quiet wealth builders do not wait for everything to feel safe. They learn, they start, they stay consistent, they adjust when needed, and they give time a chance to do its work. So if you are investing regularly, even with a small amount, do not dismiss it. You may not see the full result yet, but you are already building the habit that future wealth depends on. Sign 7. You are becoming less emotional with money. The 7th sign is that your financial decisions are becoming calmer. You are not perfect, nobody is, but you are no longer reacting to everything immediately. When you see a sale, you do not automatically buy. When someone else has something new, you do not instantly feel behind. When the market drops, you do not panic as quickly. When you receive extra money, you do not spend it all in one emotional moment. That is a major sign of growth. Because money is emotional. People spend because they are stressed. People borrow because they feel pressured. People invest because they are excited. People sell because they are afraid. And if emotions control every decision, money becomes chaotic. But when you start slowing down, you make better choices. You begin to separate feelings from strategy. You can say, I want this, but it is not the right time. You can say, I feel scared, but I need to think clearly. You can say, I can enjoy money without destroying my plan. That kind of emotional control is not easy, and it is not always visible. Nobody claps for you when you do not buy something. Nobody celebrates when you avoid a bad financial decision. Nobody sees the moment you choose patience instead of impulse. But those invisible decisions matter. Because building wealth is not only about knowing what to do, it's also about having the discipline to do it when your emotions are pulling you in another direction. Sign 8. Your definition of success is changing. The 8th sign is that your idea of success is becoming deeper. Before, success may have looked like having expensive things, more shopping, more luxury, more visible signs that you are doing well. But now your definition is changing. You are starting to value peace, options, stability, freedom, the ability to handle emergencies, the ability to sleep without worrying too much about money, the ability to say no, the ability to make choices without being trapped by every paycheck. That is a powerful shift, because when your definition of success changes, your decisions change too. You stop chasing every trend. You stop trying to impress people who are not even paying your bills. You stop measuring your progress only by what others can see, and you start caring about what actually improves your life. This is one of the clearest signs of quiet wealth building, because real wealth is not always loud. Sometimes it looks like having fewer financial problems. Sometimes it looks like being less desperate. Sometimes it looks like having money set aside. Sometimes it looks like choosing a simple life that gives you more peace. And that is not failure. That is growth. Because the goal is not just to look rich. The goal is to become financially free enough to live with more control, more security, and more peace. If you recognize some of these signs in yourself, even just a few, do not ignore them. You may not feel wealthy yet. You may still have goals you have not reached. You may still be paying debt, building savings, or learning how to invest. But progress does not always announce itself loudly. Sometimes it shows up quietly. In the purchase you did not make, in the money you saved, in the investment you kept adding to, in the emergency fund you slowly built, in the emotional decision you avoided, in the moment you chose your future over temporary pressure. That is how wealth often begins, not with one huge moment, but with small decisions repeated long enough to change your life. So if you are building quietly, keep going. You may be further ahead than you think. And if this helped you understand money in a simpler way, you can like, subscribe, and keep learning with the Money Canvas. Thank you for watching.